try to save it before we replace it. We don't have a frame machine to pull it. Why not use this big old semi that is not doing anything but just sitting here that we could never get around to? Today, it's gonna be a semi truck frame machine. All right, guys, we're back working on the Subaru. So we got most of the parts for this car. We're gonna go get a couple more things right now to keep you guys along with us. Hopefully we get this thing done pretty quick. Let's go get the rest of the parts for this car. Guys, so we got all the parts. We got the core support is what we had to go pick up from the junkyard. We got a hood, we got a used radiator, a brand new AC condenser, front bumper, we got a fender. So here's what I've done already. I did replace this, got a used power steering reservoir, put some fluid in it. I did replace this sensor. This sensor I had, this one is on order, should be here pretty soon. It's really easy to replace. Two 10mm bolts, replace it, and then I'll have to replace the plug. Today we're gonna try to get the old radiator out, put the new used radiator in, hook up the fans, that way we can start the car, run it, it won't overheat. Straighten out the minor bends in the rail, and then we'll probably drill this out so we could straighten this. And then we got this piece on that new used core support, and let's get to work.
So it is getting pretty dark today. We're gonna finish up for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, next day here. Let's get to work and continue working on this 2014 Subaru Legacy.
Guys, so here's what we got going on. So we were gonna replace this piece, but now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking we're gonna try to save it before we replace it. But to pull it, we don't have a frame machine to pull it. We tried little ways to do it, it's not working out. We were looking around, we were thinking, what could we use for like a post or something that can let us pull this out? Why not use this big old semi that is not doing anything but just sitting here that we could never get around to? Today, it's gonna be a semi truck frame machine that we're gonna use to pull this out. So hopefully it's gonna work out. Let's see what happens.
Might as well, we're here right next to it. I'm gonna do a quick update on this thing. So if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2, go to older videos, check them out. I mean, they've been pretty popular. The video blew up, over 100,000 views. People were enjoying it, but this is the condition it's in, just still sitting here. So stay tuned, we'll get around to it. We'll start working on it someday. Let's get back to work.
Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump the fact we'll just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep here might just take a while. Try not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style. Well, can't say I blame you. Try to come close to, but all you can do. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy.
All right, guys, it's a wrap for this video. It's getting late. It's pitch black outside right now, but we got a light and we got a camera flash. The core support is clamped in. We just got some vice grips holding it. Everything is lined up good. We got our tram gauge here. I don't know if you can see, it's a homemade tram gauge. And if we check our gaps, so you use this to check if there's a square. So you take that, and then we go on the damage side. Boom. Everything lines up good. It's really nice because we could go off of this side. This side wasn't damaged, so we just take measurements off of this side, measure it onto the other one. I did a couple measurements. It's a good idea to just go off a couple measurements, except for just one. Then it's more accurate. So yeah, this video's a wrap. Next video, we're gonna weld this up, get everything put together under the hood, and then prep the car for paint. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for the next one.